What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate a PDF document using Lufe AI. So once you have your account created, and you can easily do this for free. So once you're on the website guys, you can easily scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will have an option that says PDF translation. You also can do image translation as well, but click on the PDF translation. Here are PDF translate. Click and select PDF, or you can drag and drop your PDF document there. I'm going to select a PDF document real quick, and it's going to quickly try to translate the document into a language of your choice. So as you can see, it detects the language here and it says that it is English. Now you can always go ahead and try to translate the document to whatever you want, right? So it's going to also try to understand what's the purpose of the document. Now, in order to translate the document into a language of your choice, you will see where it auto detects the language, and you can choose the output of the language or the target language. So select the target language and choose something of your choice. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, Chinese, and you can see that no, it is no trying to translate the whole document here for me in Chinese. And here you can see that what it recognizes the language, there's some dummy text in the document that doesn't make sense. Here you can see where it tries to translate the document for me guys. It shows those different translation, and that's it guys. Once you're ready, you are able to actually download this document that you want. So, and that's it guys, that's how you go ahead and translate the document using Lufe AI. Very easy and very simple.